Good day, class. I'm Miss Avila Sofia as your teacher for oral communication. But before that, next slide, please. Let's dive in this picture. Does anyone want to share their thoughts? Yes, Kaha.
These pictures indicates all distractions and miscommunication, ma'am.
Precisely. Now let's continue to the main topic. Next slide, please. Yes, Aninayon.
Ma'am, I have something to share. I had a conflict with my friend and I don't know what to do.
Well, calm down first, dear. You're in the right class. Right now, I'll be discussing the communication breakdown. It happens when the intended message is not clearly understood, which has led to confusion and miscommunication. Next slide, please. Class, what do you think is communication breakdown? Yes, Kaha.
Communication breakdown affects the communication by slowing down the process of the understanding between the sender and the receiver. It results to miscommunication.
Thank you, Kaha. How about Aninayon?
For me po, communication breakdown is when the message of the sender is not understood exactly by the receiver.
Hmm. Okay, thank you for your answers. Next slide, please. Um, who can be volunteers for answering these questions?
Me po, ma'am. To address communication breakdown in terms of Christ-like value is we need to always spread love and to be honest and uh, listen carefully to avoid communication breakdowns. Yun po.
How about Nathan?
For me po, to address communication breakdown, instead of being angry, listen and aim to restore peace.
Hmm. Thank you for all your answers.